Hello everyone, good afternoon. We are from My Teaching Robot. आज हम लोग जामिया क्लास 6 जो एंट्रेंस एग्जाम लास्ट वीक हुए उसके क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे. फर्स्ट इंडियन वुमन टू क्लेम माउंट एवरेस्ट. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एवरीवन नोज दैट इट्स बचंत्री पाल. She was the one who conquered the Mount Everest. Santosh Yadav, she also, but after Bachantri Pal. But if you are looking for first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest, that is Bachantri Pal. But Santosh Yadav also climbed the Mount Everest twice after Bachantri Pal. Now move to next question. In the paraphylium, we can say as the plant buds are present on the edge of leaves. So the correct answer is leaves. Now leaf make food by a process called photosynthesis. Everyone knows that. Organisms that live in water are called aquatic. So correct answer is aquatic. Animals that eat only plants are called herbivore. So option is B. Now move to change of water vapor into water is called, as we know, evaporation. Eating spoiled food causes obviously food poison. In which season malaria is more common? We know that malaria and dengue are always in a rainy season. The study of earthquake. If you are talking about study of earthquake, then seismology. But if you're talking about the study of earthquake, that is fine. But you want to measure the earthquake, then use Richter scale. And if you want to have a look for the measurement and all stuff, then the tool which is used as a seismograph. So the correct answer is C, because here we have to find the answer for the study of earthquake. There was an earthquake in Kutch area of Gujarat, yes, on 26th of Jan 2001. Which gas is necessary to burn fire? Everyone knows that it's all about oxygen. Muscles of the heart are called, we know that cardiac attack, that's why it's associated with cardiac. In which year Dandi March? So you know Gandhi ji started the Dandi March for Salt Andolan. It's 1930. The system that supply blood to all part of the body is called circulatory system. 3% of all the world water is all about fresh water. There are type of teeth in the mouth. As we know that it is all about 4 type of teeth in our mouth. Artificial lake made in earlier time in order to save the raining water. Why wherever we want to save the water, then we have created a artificial lake. Salt and sugar remove. Obviously, if there is no salt or sugar, let's assume you are taking a tea and there is no sugar, that means you cannot feel the taste. So it's related to taste. The process of loosening the soil is called plugging. Which nutrient protect against diseases? See, everyone, protein is required, carbohydrate is required, vitamin is required. So you will go ahead with all of the above. Igloo is made of, everyone knows that, snow. Poisonous teeth of a snake are called fangs. Cloud, dew, fog are example of condensation. Father brother, simple relation. Newborn ant are called larvae. A person who goes into space is called, everyone knows that, astronaut, but astronaut is not here, so none of the above. The matter exists in solid, liquid, gas. That means three stages. Which gas is used for cooking? We are booking the gas cylinder, that is LPG. The dog bite may causes rabies because malaria is from mosquitoes, cholera is based on some infections, and tuberculosis is not related with dog bite. The natural satellite is in Earth, is of Moon. Rusting of iron is called chemical reaction change. The outermost layer of Earth is called crust. The planet near the sun is Mercury. Things that are of no use. Here is the option. We can use the waste material also, but for class level 6 entrance, we can go ahead with the waste. Generally, we can say none of this because waste is also reused. But for class 6, level 6, we can go ahead with the option waste. Capital of Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. We make a kennel for, everyone knows that we are using for dog. Nectar is obtained from the flowers. When our pet falls sick, we take them to a veterinary, veterinary doctor, not the physician or surgeon. Current is measured by ammeter, as you know. Unit of power. Always, whenever you are receiving the electricity, will 5 watt, 100 watt. So what? How many bone are there in a human skull? It's all about human skull. So you will go ahead with 14. Limestone is a type of sedimentary rock. Total number of bone in a human body is 206. Deficiency of vitamin D causes ricket. The largest continent of the earth is, as we know, we are where? Asia. Our body is made of 70% of water. In case of fire, we should dial fire brigade number, that is 101, 100 is for police. Where is Golconda Fort located? It's Hyderabad. Which state is never on a Mizoram? Delhi is far away from Mizoram. Himachal, it's also far away. So go ahead with Manipur. Manipur is near about Mizoram. Which of the following is a wedge? It's all about X. It's cutting section of tribe which is used for wood cutting. Now starting the math question from 51. Simply 2 by 10 plus 3 by 20. Take the LCM of 10 by 2 by 10, 2 by 10, 2 by 10 plus 3 by 20. LCM is 20. 10 divisible by 20 is 2, 2, 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7 by 20. So go ahead with the answer C. Cost of one pair of shoes is 425. So 425 into 15. Okay. So you can go ahead with 6375. Okay. You can do simply multiplication like mentioned above. 425 into 15. Fraction with same denominator, like fraction. 10 paisa is percentage of rupees. Everyone knows that 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies. So 10% is the correct answer. LCM of 12 and 13. You can take the LCM of 12 and 13. It will give you the result of 36 by prime factorization or anyway. the place where the underlined digit. So you can observe that there is a 100 comma separators are there. 100 comma separators are generally not is used in our Indian nomenclature. So it's all about six digit is one six digit of zero is called million. So 3 million. That's why the answer is million. Round of 875. It's near about 875 is 900. An article containing 75 is sold for rupees 135. So you purchase the product into 135, and eh, now you purchase on 75 and you sell it on 135. That means you earn 60 rupees. So profit is 60 rupees. Answer is C. A cuboid has edge. If you will see the figure, whatever cuboid, if you will draw it, the cuboid structure, it will give you 12 edges to you. Here 12 by 20, divide, reverse it as a reciprocal. 5 4 is 20, 4 3 is 12, 3 by 2. So answer is A. There are how many minutes in a week? Do like that, 24 hour into 60 minutes. That means one day. It will give you 1440, and then multiply with 7. It will give you 10080. Correct answer is C. How many months have 31 days? So start from January, February is not there. So January, March, May, July, August, October, December. Total 7. Longest chord of a circle is, if you will draw a circle, always remember the chord which is passing to center is called diameter. So diameter is the longest chord. A 6-side polygon. Always remember 4 side is quadrilateral, 5 is pentagon. So answer is hexagon. An angle is measuring more than 180 degree, reflex angle. 20% of 650. Simply do it. 20 into 650 divided by 100. 0, 0, 0, 0. 65 into 2, 130. Answer is C. 24.7 divisible. How many pointer has been moved? How many decimal position has moved? Exist with one position. Here now it's moved to fourth. That means 3 additional. So go ahead with the option of 1000. 3 additional means 30. Here you can see A is 10, B is 100, and C is even 100. So here is the wrong question. It should be 1000. If it is 1000, then answer is C. So there is a correction. In question you will see A is 10, B is 100, C is even 100. So correct answer is C. Convert 33333 in decimal. 100 means 2 point trim. Just move from right to left with the 2 position. 3.33. Answer is C. 30 people travel in a bus. How many buses are near to be? Simply 30% in a one bus. That means 60% in another bus. So total 1350 divided by 30. Answer would be 45. 10 million. Simply 1 million is 60. 1 million is 60. And we know that in crore we have 70. So 1 crore. Option A. Which of following is a numeral number? So always remember, after any of the number like 10 or 20 or 100 or 50, you cannot find more than 3. So here is a 4. So wrong is B. Percentage of a smallest 6 digit. Always remember 6 digit is smallest. That means that is 1 5 times 0, and predecessor less than 1. That would be always 1 digit less with 9. If it would be 8 digit, then 7 times 9. Here 6 digit, then 5 times 9. Answer is A. Which pair is not a prime number? You can see 15. 15 is not a prime number even. 3 5, yes, it's a twin prime, because after 3 there is a just follow prime number is 3 5 11 then 13, yes, 17 then 19. Here 15 is even not prime, so you can go ahead with the C option. Reciprocal of 6 into 2 by 3, it would be 32 by 5. So reverse is 5 by 32. C. A square has perimeter 100 centimeter. We know that square of perimeter is 4a. 4a means is, let's assume what is perimeter a. So 4 side 4a 100. Then a equal to one side is 25, and area of a square is a square. 25 square is 625 square. Answer is D. Now coming to passage, you can read very carefully. It was a very hot summer. All the given rivers had run dry. A thirsty herd of wild elephant wandered in search of water. So you can read very carefully and have a look the option. What were the elephants searching for? So water. Now who live near the lake? As a large family of mice. Now what happened when the elephant ran the lake? Were hurt. Now 78. What did the mouse ask the leader of the elephant to do? Actually, here is a correction in the question. In question number 3, if you will see, 79 option C. To use another way to the lake. If you will go ahead back to paragraph, you can see, let us go to the leader of the elephant. We should ask him to use another way of the lake. But here look like A is missing during the typing. So you can go ahead with C or D. It's all about examine because it's a correction in question. If it's a typo, then C. Else you can go ahead with D. None of the above. In the above sentence, mark the adjective. So adjective of we sat outside the house of enjoying the beautiful rain. So beautiful. D. In the sentence given below, mark the conjunction. So here we have a and as a conjunction. So go ahead with the option D. In which word is sound H? Here we have H. So honor is starting with the sound of O. So you can go ahead with C. Choose the correct answer. Priya, here also A is missing. Priya will be talking her mother to the hospital tomorrow. So will be, that means it's all about future, and future tense, here we have only future continuous tense. Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a renowned. So you can go ahead with the option A. Choose the correct spelling. Here is the absent, A B S E N C, absence. So this is the correct one, A. The plural of goose is geese, C. Go ahead with the C. The prefix of word accurate, inaccurate. Suffix of guitar is guitarist. D. Synonym of the word carriage, fearless. There's no dot, fearless. Do not think about that. Identify the correct plural word. Here is the problem. Mosses is not there. Leaves wrong. Knife wrong. Then sheep is the word that is used for plural. Choose the past participate of right. So reason. Select it's option B. Select the feminine of words. So yeah, option C. The sun rays in the morning. Option A for 93. 94. The doctor left the hospital in a quiet manner. So make the adjective. Adjective is quiet. An umbrella is useful thing. So go ahead with the C. Please match the following. So you will see, please open the door. So A will go ahead with declarative sentence. So A. Then B, what is your name, is interrogative. So here is the option of B is correct one. Choose the odd one, odd. Month is related with the 31 days. Year is related with the 12 month of a day, and century is related with years, but there is no relation of hour. So for 97, the answer would be hours. Superlative degree of good is best. Choose the correct plural for army, armies. Choose the correct collective noun. So A of cattle. A herd of cattle. So go ahead with B. That is the correct answer. So this is all about the complete solution for classics. Go ahead and subscribe our channel, My Teaching Robot, for next solution of other exams. Thank you everyone.